Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am bringing you part 2 of the Thunkable tutorial. This part contains recap of the part 1. Here I will be making a demo app and we'll go over the interface once more. The second is how to go to the next screen when clicked on a button. After making the demo app, we'll test it in the mobile. I will show you the step-by-step process of testing it in mobile, and also we will discuss some of the contents of part 3 video. I welcome you all to 2 minutes knowledge channel, and let's start. Let me log into Thunkable. I'll go to google.com. I will type Thunkable. I have to click on this link. I have to click on the sign in button. I have to click on Android as I'm going to test it in Android mobile. And let's create our first app. App name, my cooking app. Amit. Okay, we have project names can contain only letters, numbers and underscore, so we cannot keep cooking app. Alright. And we have to click on it, and we got the interface which contains palette, the designer interface and the properties part. Let me go ahead and create a button. We will change the properties of the button. Let me give it cyan, make a font bold. We can make it 20. And height will be 40%. Height will be 40%. 90%. Okay. And here we have veg recipes. And suppose rounded, yeah, looks good. Rectangular, oval, yes, this looks good. Rounded. Okay, let's keep it rounded. Let me take out another button. Same thing. We'll give, no, this will give red. Font will be bold. 20. Monoscape. Okay, here we'll give it some monoscape. Height, this will be 50%. Okay, what 40% and 90%. So here height will be 40% and automatic width will be 90%, and shape will be rounded. Button to name non-veg recipes. Non-veg recipes. Height will be 90%. Click. Okay. Default screen 1. We are going to change the name of screen 1. Cooking app Amit. Screen 1. My cooking app. 2 minutes cook in 2 minutes. Okay, after that, yeah, we made an app. Now we will be discussing the most important part of this video, that if we click on the veg recipe, it should go to the next screen showing what should the recipes. So we'll create another screen, that is add screen. We have to go to add screen, that then we will give it screen 2. Click on OK. Let's go to screen 2, and here we'll create a button. Let us change the name of the button to paneer recipes, and another button. Let's click on another button, and we'll give it the name of this button to mushroom recipes. We will change some of the characteristics of, we'll get light gray. Let's give something. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, button 1, paneer recipes. Font, keep it bold and italic. 14.0 is okay. Paneer recipes, center 1, text color is red. Okay. Now our objective is, when we click on veg recipes, it should go to this screen, paneer recipes. So we need to put a little bit of logic here in order to make it happen. We need to go to blocks. The blocks contains 3 sections. One is built-in section, which contains control, logic, math, text, list, color, variables, procedures, and this is our screen 1. In the screen 1 we have button 1 and button 2, and there is a component button also. We will discuss about the component button, any component button, later on. So here we have button 1. So here the logic is, whenever the button 1 is clicked, that is the veg recipe is clicked, it should pass the control to the second screen. So we will consider this logic. When button 1 is clicked, what it should go do? It should pass the control to the second screen. Let me go to the control part, and we will see something. Open another screen name. Okay. When button 1 is clicked, it should pass the control to the other screen. And what is the other screen? Other screen is screen 2. We need to add a text here. So we need to go to the built-in function text, and we can use this one, and we will type screen 2. Now we have successfully passed the control of the screen 1 to screen 2 when veg recipe is clicked. So now we have finally passed the control of the screen 1 to screen 2 when the veg recipe is clicked. This can be tested in the mobile, or we will be able to test it in mobile only. So let me go ahead and tell you the procedure of testing it in mobile. Testing it in mobile is very easy. We need to go to test. Click on Thunkable live, and then a QR code will be generated. Friends, whatever we have done till now, we need to test it through the Thunkable app that we are going to install in our Android mobile. So we need to go to Play Store, we need to search for Thunkable. Here we got it. We need to install it. It's installing as of now. We need to click on it, open button, and we need to friends, I have made some arrangement with the laptop and the mobile in such a way that whatever procedures that I follow in the mobile will be stored in the laptop. Our intention here is that if we click on the veg recipes on screen 1, the controls should go to the screen 2, and we have even written the code for it. Screen 1, when button 1, that is veg recipe, is clicked, then it should go to the another screen, that is screen 2, that is our paneer recipes. This is our paneer recipes. So let me show you the procedure how to test it in our mobile. Here on the left hand side we can see our website thunkable.com, and here on the right hand side we are able to see our mobile. Now let me go ahead and click on the Thunkable app. Here we can see the scan QR code option, or there will be a 6-character code that we need. Then we need to go to test. We need to click on Thunkable Live, and we can see the QR code. Either we can type the QR code or we can scan it. I am choosing to scan the QR code. And see, we are in our home page. Let me adjust it. Yeah. And this is our mobile, and this is our screen. So if we click on the veg recipes in our mobile, then it will go to open the paneer recipes. So friends, this is the way that we'll be able to pass the screen control of the screen 1 to screen 2. Now the thing is, we have made a paneer recipe. We need to, so friends, for the paneer recipe, whenever the paneer recipe is clicked by somebody, then it should go to another screen showing the paneer recipe. So let me add one more screen, add screen 3, click on OK. Then we need to put the logic where it will go to screen 3. So paneer recipe is button 1, so let's go on to block 1. Let's go to button 1. When button 1 is clicked, what it will do? It will pass the control of screen 2 to screen 3. Open another screen, and we need to put the name of the screen that it will go, that is screen 3. Then we will put the text. Screen 3. Now we have created the logic. Let me click on the paneer recipe on the mobile. When it is clicked on the mobile, it goes to the screen 3, but we don't have anything on screen 3. So we need to create the recipe here on the screen 3. In order to create the recipe on the screen 3, we will take the help of label. So screen 3, let us make some property changes. Screen 3, paneer makhni, title is magneto, let's give it. Okay, on level 1, background color, let's give cyan, and height will fill it 100%. Click on OK, and width will fill up as 100%. Click on OK, and level. Here we have to put our recipe. This is the place where we have to put the text, but before putting the text, make sure that the HTML format has been checked. I have got a bit of recipe from the internet, and we can put the text here, and see, we got the paneer recipe here, and it is showing in the app also. But here we can see that the number 1, number 2 and the third part all are in a mixed state. It's in a single line. We don't want it, and we need to have it in 3 separate lines or 4 separate lines. If there are 10 procedure or 10 step-by-step instructions to make a paneer recipe, then there should be 10 different lines. So in the next tutorial we will learn more about how to do it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.